Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy candy without gelatin, agar agar, or corn flour. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fruit juice, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of high methoxyl pectin. Pectin is a fantastic plant-based alternative that gives gummies their signature chewiness. Ensure your pectin is high methoxyl for best results with sugar and acid. Next, combine your 1 cup of fruit juice, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of pectin in a medium saucepan. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly before heating. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes. This crucial step fully activates the pectin, ensuring your gummies will set perfectly. Remove from heat. Now, it is time to add your desired flavorings and a few drops of food coloring, if you wish, stirring them in off the heat. Carefully pour the hot gummy liquid into your silicone molds. Small molds work best for bite-sized treats. Let them cool completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Then, transfer the molds to the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to allow the gummies to firm up properly. Once fully set, gently unmold your beautiful homemade gummies from their silicone molds. To prevent sticking, you can lightly toss them in a bit of granulated sugar or a tapioca starch alternative. Store your finished gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. Enjoy your delicious, gelatin-free, and plant-based gummy candies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.